This video is sponsored by Western Digital. If your laptop shipped with a SATA SSD, you can make it boot up noticeably faster and have applications load much quicker too by simply upgrading to an NVMe drive. For a nominal price, you can find some NVMe drives that offer up to 4 times the speed of SATA SSD drives. This is especially beneficial to those who work with large files like datasets or video projects. If you've made up your mind about upgrading your laptop storage to a compatible NVMe-based drive, this guide sponsored by Western Digital will help you do just that. This guide will also cover adding a new NVMe drive to your laptop and also help you move the data and operating system over from your existing drive. All you're going to need to make the upgrade happen is an appropriately sized screwdriver. You're also going to have to figure out if your laptop supports NVMe drives in the first place. The best way to confirm this compatibility would be to refer to the owner's manual for your laptop. You can also call the service center for your laptop brand and check with them. For the purpose of this video, we'll be upgrading the storage in our laptop from a Western Digital Blue M.2 SATA SSD to a 1TB M.2 Western Digital Blue SN550 NVMe drive. Before we perform the upgrade, let's benchmark a few common processes to see how they differ when running off a SATA SSD versus an NVMe drive. Here are a few common applications and workloads along with the time taken to execute them. Now, with that out of the way, let's begin the upgrade process. We're going to start by removing the back panel to reveal the M.2 NV slot on the motherboard. Once the back panel is removed, locate the M.2 slot. Slide the NVMe drive into the M.2 slot and secure it using the supplied retention screw. Once the drive is firmly in place, screw the back panel in. Now that the Western Digital NVMe drive is installed, we're going to move your OS over to the drive. For this, Western Digital provides the Acronis True Image WD edition, which you can download from the support page of your NVMe drive from Western Digital's website. Once the software is installed, just follow the on-screen instructions to clone your existing drive onto the Western Digital Blue SN550 NVMe drive. At this point, you can do one of two things. First would be that you want to keep both the drives, with the NVMe being your boot drive. The second scenario would be that you'd want to remove the SATA SSD from your laptop and leave only the NVMe drive in there. If you fall under case 1, follow these simple steps. Boot into the BIOS of your machine. The instructions for doing so can be found in the user manual for your laptop. Under the boot menu, set the WD Blue SN550 NVMe drive as the primary boot device. Restart your machine. Once Windows loads, launch Computer, right-click on the drive letter associated with your SATA SSD and click Format. This will wipe all data on the SATA SSD, allowing you to use it as a secondary storage drive. In case you need to remove the M.2 SATA SSD before you close the back panel, all you have to do is slide out the SATA SSD and close the back panel up. Now, we're going to benchmark the drive's performance by once again measuring the time taken for the above-mentioned tasks to complete. As you can see, upgrading to an NVMe drive has made common applications and scenarios even faster on your old laptop. This is everything you need to know in order to upgrade your laptop from a SATA SSD to an ultra-fast Western Digital Blue SN550 NVMe SSD. Thank you so much for watching.